It's never good. I've got a bit of a shitty cold at the moment.
So there you go, that is it for this video. The last piece of 2025, but obviously the first video of 2026. Not going to go over 2025 too much. Yeah, some good times, some bad times, but that is life in general. So I'm going to try and be a little bit more optimistic and positive moving forward. Not sure what 2026 really holds for me currently. Got some ideas, got some plans. Not going to bother kind of expressing them currently. We'll just see how the year goes. I always kind of say things in videos and then never really go through with them, or sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. But anyway, I'm going to stop rambling on. Thanks for watching, and yeah, thanks for kind of being with me on this journey in YouTube. I know some of the videos aren't the best to watch. Yeah, it's just kind of documenting my journey and what I get up to. So thanks for coming along. If you've got this far on the video and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment. Tell me something about 2026, maybe a goal, a target that you want to achieve at some point, or maybe further in the future. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.